Two friends. Same starting capital. One opened a business people couldn't stop talking about. The other opened a business nobody could even remember the name of. Guess which one is retired at 35? The first friend built a brand. A sleek storefront, a strong social media presence, a grand opening people still talk about. For a year, it was the best decision he'd ever made. 5 years in, he's still unlocking the shop every morning. Because the business only runs when he's standing inside it. The second friend built something almost embarrassing to describe at a dinner party. No launch party, no design awards. Just a signed contract, a small crew, and a phone that rarely rings, because the money doesn't need him to answer it. That's the divide nobody talks about. Some businesses need you every single day to survive. Others get paid whether you show up or not. Today we're breaking down 8 of the second kind. The boring ones nobody brags about, that quietly outperform the exciting ones. Business number 8. Somebody has to keep a 100-person office spotless every single morning, and it's never the CEO. Commercial cleaning contracts are unglamorous, but they're built on something rarer than talent, reliability. Once a hospital or office signs a year-long contract, the owner isn't chasing new customers anymore. Nobody pays for a mop. They pay to stop thinking about the mess at all. Business number 7. Pest control doesn't sell peacefully. It sells in a panic. A restaurant owner who spots a cockroach the night before an inspection isn't shopping for the cheapest option. He's paying whatever it costs to make the problem disappear before morning. That urgency, repeated on a schedule, turns a service people avoid into one of the steadiest recurring contracts around. Business number 6. A vending machine doesn't need a salary, a break, or a reason to show up. It just needs one thing most people underestimate: the right square foot of real estate. The product inside barely matters. The machine near 1,000 hungry employees always outperforms a better machine in the wrong hallway. The business was never about what's inside the glass. It's about where the glass is standing. Business number 5. Every hotel bed, every hospital gown, every gym towel has to be cleaned somewhere. Increasingly, that somewhere isn't the hotel or hospital itself. Running an in-house laundry means machines, staff, and repairs. A headache most owners would rather pay someone else to carry. Land 20 annual contracts, and the worry disappears. Business number 4. A contractor needs heavy equipment for 10 days, not 10 years. Buying it makes no sense. Renting does. That single decision, made 1,000 times a week, is the entire business model. People don't pay for ownership nearly as often as they pay for access. Buy the equipment once, get paid for years. Business number 3. Everyone drank water before they checked their phone this morning. Trends fade, technology shifts, but that particular demand never takes a day off. A water ATM isn't complicated. Install it, maintain it, connect a digital payment system, and walk away. The income doesn't need you standing next to the machine. It just needs the machine standing in the right place. Business number 2. Every gym owner, clinic, and school has one boring task eating an hour of their day. Nobody's asking for innovation. They're asking for that hour back. Solve it once. They'll pay every single month. 10 customers or 10,000. The product doesn't need a new factory to serve either one. Business number 1. It was never about the business. One thread runs through every single one. Not the industry. Not the investment. The customer paid more than once. Sell something once, and tomorrow you're back to zero, hunting for the next sale. Sign a contract once, and the payment keeps arriving whether you chase it or not. Wealthy people don't run different businesses than everyone else. They just ask a different question before they start one. Not how much will this make me, but how many times will this pay me for the same work? Ask yourself that question the next time an idea excites you. Because the businesses that print money while you sleep were never the loud ones. They were always the boring ones nobody bothered to notice.